How's it going, guys? Indiana John here, and I've got another unboxing, and I got two more coming that I'm really excited about. I was hoping this was one of the other two, but pretty sure I know what this is, so I'll drop some hints for it, but they might be hints for the wrong knife. So knife or trainer. So let's see. Yeah, lovely stuff. Let's see. So it is what I thought it was. I think this is my sixth Bally from this company. That might give you a pretty good hint. This is also, I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is one of 10. I'll go ahead and take it on out now. Yep, another squid. But yeah, so I've had a number, had all of their squiddies. I had a Nautilus, but I traded that for a Hellstorm. Got a couple of those with me, and got a green Triton a while ago too. This guy's getting a little beat up, carrying around. Let's see. Yeah, so I guess you can still guess what it is. Yeah, I think they dropped these right around just after Christmas, 2018. I can't remember who I got this from. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Weird. He's got a gold and a purple pivot. Neat. Yeah, I think this is a 2.5. One of the gold ones. Oh, handle clap. Oof. Neat. I've been wanting to try a squid trainer for a bit. I'll have to redo that. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I've been wanting to try a squid trainer, but just hadn't got around to it. And they released the 3.0s a bit ago, and Lucas did a little teaser on the 3.5s. 3.5 or 3.1? I think 3.5. Yeah. The other day. So that'll be cool to see those when they come out. I like the texture on this. It's pretty good. See the balance on it? Nice. Cool. Dead on. Cool. Awesome. Well, I think that's pretty much all I got for you. Yeah, I'll do like 2 more unboxing videos pretty soon here. One of them is one that I've kind of been wanting to try for a while, and it's a sort of a controversial Bally. And the other one is like borderline grail, like something I've been wanting for quite a while. Really excited. Traded a rep and a bunch of cash for it, so that'll be cool. Not my main rep though. Not this guy. He ain't going anywhere. But the standard one. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next vid.